Hey all, welcome to the new episode of Excel and Excel, where we are going to learn how we can find the length of the data which is inside the cell. So sometimes during analysis, we came across situation where we have to find the length of data inside the cell. For example, if I want to check the authenticity of the GSTIN of the supplier, I will have to find out that each of the GSTINs are of 15 in number. But if in any scenario it is more than 15 or below 15, that's a problematic situation for me. So it can happen with GSTIN and as well as for PAN. So the best way for finding out the length is to apply the formula of LEN, that is length. Select the cell in which you want to get the length of the data inside the cell and press enter. 15 is the count of the digits that this cell has. If I apply the formula to the entire cell, you can see each of the GSTIN were of 15 digits, indicating each of the GSTIN numbers were correct in terms of length. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching.